Being a part of a trading community is fundamental to your success as a day trader. Today, I'm going to show you how it helped me stay level headed and not get greedy. So, I had two trades today, one long from the New York VWAP and one long from the previous day VWAP. I made a video about it, about how I do two tries, same direction, and that's how I have a 60% daily win rate. I'll link that below. But this video is about the Black Shirt Club and the ASFX mentorship. So I wanted to discuss something, the two swings, same side. Should the second entry after being stopped out be with the same size or should it be with larger size? It's clear if you take a second loss, you would be down a full 2R, but if it's a winner, then you're just back at break even. Am I being greedy, wanting to take that second trade with larger size, or am I being tactical with more conviction? So I asked them, what's their risk profile when you re-enter, and what's your intention with the re-entry? To get back to break even or to be green on the day? And I mean, you could just see I got so much responses. Like, okay, so Nick gave me some great advice because I really felt like I was just trying to be greedy by saying, well, if I took one loss, then the second one's really got to pay. And he showed me that, you would be pissed at yourself and you might go on tilt if you just sized up in that second trade and took a large loss. Let's see what Christine said. Something Evan said a while back is, why do you have to get it back that day? Does within the day matter? If you come back the next day and make it back, it's all the same, huh? Like that's such a good point. That helped remind me that this is a long-term game. And I could swing hard one day and blow myself out and not give myself that opportunity. So again, Gino, let's see what he said. This is how I approach it. I enter with the same size and do my best to treat the trade as its own and let the outcome be what it is. I have my P&L hidden to try not to look at it until I'm done for the trading day. This helped reduce the effect that the first trade has on my second one. Like, this is the stuff that I need to be told when I'm feeling greedy. If I'm feeling greedy, that means I might make a bad trading decision. But having a group of people that are, they're not being mean about it. They're just giving their honest feedback saying, hey, you might be wrong in thinking that you need to, double in and size up. Manny said, dude, it depends on the quality of your trade. He did size down on his second trade and he actually ended the day down $50 instead of making it back. Rebecca sizes down on her second entry. I'm up here saying, let me size in on my second entry. Let's go fucking big. And, the rest of the group is helping humble me, say, hey, don't just swing it on one trade. And then Kai made a great point. He said, if the A plus trade is just normal risk, or yeah, he said, do you have any data to back? I forget where it was. He said, yeah, do you happen to have a win percentage stat on the second try trades? I don't have any win percentage stats on that. So I'm just going, at random. And then let's see. And then Austin, this is what's great. Austin is a 6-figure trader, a 7-figure businessman, and I have access to him on a daily basis in the Discord because he's my coach and I paid to be a part of this mentorship, but it's the community that you're also paying for. It's, he's saying it just depends on what percentage of your max daily loss did you get, and then let's see what James said. I think it depends on the conviction of your trade. Are you trading to get it back or to make a good trade? Right there. That's all you need to hear. Are you trading to get it back or make a good trade? Hearing this helped humble myself to now I can look back and say, hey, I tried it, missed. I had a great trade. I made it back. I'm ending green on the day. I'm up. Let's see. I'm up. Where is it? Let's find it. I'm up. TradeZella. Boom. There we go. Up $200 today. So instead of being greedy and trying to take a third trade and being down, I'm ending $200, stacking wins in my XFA so I can withdraw the whole entire balance this month.